Are you going towards Lajumkra? Are you going towards Lajumkra? Kasi. Pinlek sa Thanh Lajumkra. Pinlek sa Thanh Lajumkra. Yes, sir. Please get in. You may sit on the back seat. Yes, sir. Please get in. You may sit on the back seat. Kasi. Hỏi ba rung. Pila ban song sa din. Hỏi ba rung. Pila ban song sa din. Thank you. The door is not opening. Please open it. Thank you. The door is not opening. Please open it. Kasi. Kublai. Ngamla play kachingkang. Soba play yaka. Kublai. Ngamla play kachingkang. Soba play yaka. Yes, it opened. Please sit. It must be shut instantly. Yes, it opened. Please sit. It must be shut instantly. Kasi. Tu kala play. Soba song. Đây bạn khang stet. Tu kala play. Soba song. Đây bạn khang stet. Thank you. Kasi. Kublai Shibun. I think you are going up to Lajumkra. Kasi. Ngatrai Pilek Shadow Lajumkra. Yes. Why has the traffic halted? Kasi. Hỏi. Balay lahap sa nghe kumni. Look, some vehicles got stuck at the crossing. Kasi. Pek. Ki kali ki sakut. Ha katai kajaga. There are too many vehicles in Shillong this day. Kasi. Labon kakali ha Shillong. Ha kini kisngi. Because of this, there are often jams in the road. They cause most inconvenience to the passenger. Kasi. Đây nomor kani babon sen sakut kali hasurok. Bat cenjar kinong lek nongwan. And of course, a great loss of your daily income. Kasi. Bat kani kawan ra. Bun kajing do nong. You are telling absolutely right. Kasi. Fikren ya kabadai ya. This day, it has become quite difficult for the passenger to reach their destination in time. Kasi. Hakine kisngi ki cencar hakin lek nangwan ban poi hakapor kababiang sya ki jaka ki bakitmu. Yes, the traffic is slowly moving. Kasi. Hoon. Kajing yak kaliru kasuki. It is good that we are not stuck for long. Kasi. Ton bok ba kam shem la slam e. Please stop the vehicle for a moment. Kasi. Soba pensange kendian. I need to drop a letter in that box. Kasi. Ngadon kam ban thep city. Hagatai kasanduk city. Certainly, I am taking the side. But do come quickly. Kasih. Hỏi ngàn yang sarut. Handrai wan kloy ho. The job is done. Please start the vehicle. Kasih. Tu. Yadna. Ladap. The door is not closed properly. Kasih. Om sham la khang bha. Ya ka chừng khang. Please open again and shut up. Kasih. Song pha. Play biang. Bat. Sa khang. I shall get down right here. Kasih. Ngan here no angne. I am stopping little ahead. Now please get down. Kasih. Ngan yang kham hakmat lihat. Here hanikin. Please take this fare. And see you again. Kasih. Sim kane kapisa. Yin saya kendo pat. Thank you. Kasih. Kublai Shibun.